Today we're in Vita Avenue, which is in the Kingsdown development, to show you this absolutely cracking 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Just put me back together and break me into pieces again. Just put me back together and break me into pieces again.
I hope you've enjoyed the virtual tour of this property. If you'd be interested in arranging a viewing, or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your property, please do get in touch.